Here's your roundup of top carbon dioxide removal developments from this week. Carbon capture secured lease for world's first direct air capture manufacturing facility in Mesa, Arizona. At full capacity, the facility is projected to manufacture 4,000 modules per year. NOAA and US DOE signed a memorandum of agreement to work together on future collaborations regarding marine carbon dioxide removal research and development. ENGIE has pre-ordered 5 million tons of nature-based carbon removals issuing 2030 to 2039 from climate finance company, CatonaClimate. 𝐂𝐲 raised €4 million to tackle the construction industry's carbon footprint and enable 1 GT of carbon removal by 2040. 𝐗𝐲𝐿, a cutting-edge AI platform, announced its partnership with 𝗃𝐃𝐿, pledging to contribute 1% of its revenue to support innovative CDR technologies. Climeworks revealed its latest Generation 3 direct air capture tech to scale up to megaton capacity. Isometric announced the issuance of its first protocol for durable CDR via ocean alkalinity enhancement. 𝐖𝐞𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 entered into partnership with French green tech company Net Zero to support expansion of Net Zero's biochar production in Brazil, extracting atmospheric carbon. The BC Centre for Innovation and Clean Energy invested $2.76 million into British Columbia-based carbon dioxide removal projects led by Coastal Carbon and Planetary Technology. CatonaClimate, a platform that measures the climate impact of carbon farming projects, raised €2.1 million in seed funding. A new CDR firm metal plant that produces nickel by mining the soil with plants, while removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through enhanced rock weathering, has been launched. 𝐵𝐴𝐶𝐞𝐤𝐥𝐲 announced that it will convert a former coal-fired plant in Filer City, Michigan to a BCCS facility with a capacity to capture and store 550,000 tons of CO2 annually. Biochar developer PlanBoo announced that its project in Africa has become the largest one in Africa to be certified by Poro.earth. Black & Veatch Ignite X Carbon Dioxide Removal Accelerator Program selected 6 startups. Aeon Blue, Ebb Carbon, Alicia, Heimdall, Holocene, Parallel Carbon. CarbonCaptureUS released a new report that offers an in-depth analysis of the unique challenges and opportunities that define CDR financing, setting it apart from traditional climate finance. New study finds seafloor topography accounts for up to 50% of the changes in depth at which carbon has been sequestered. 7 to 9 billion tons of CO2 per year must be sustainably removed from the atmosphere by mid-century if the world is to comply with the 1.5 degrees Celsius Paris Agreement limit, highlighted in the second State of Carbon Dioxide Removal report. Limited knowledge of ocean processes is hindering the progress of marine carbon dioxide removal, making the commercialization of some methods premature and misguided, according to a recent study. That's all from now. Subscribe to the Carbon Removal Updates Substack newsletter for more details. Thank you.